Hi everyone, this is Reema from Reema's Swat Cooking Classes. So today we are going to try a new recipe, okay, which is kharam dosa, also known as kadpa dosa. So we are going to make the dosa batter, two types of chutney here, and it's very delicious, very yummy. It's my favorite here now. Okay, so let's get started with first preparation of the dosa batter. So this is a dosa batter. Okay, let me explain you how I have made this batter. I have taken 3 cups of rice. You can take either your regular rice or you can take your idli rice, any rice. 3 cups of rice. To that I have added 1 cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. I soaked it overnight and then in the morning grinded it and added water, salt and kept it for fermentation till evening. Okay, so it needs 8 hours of soaking and 8 hours of fermentation. So when it ferments well, the dosa are going to be nice red in color. They are going to be nice crisp. Okay, so this is the dosa batter. This is all ready. Okay, this is the consistency that we are using here. After making this dosa batter, now next I am going to show you how to prepare two types of chutneys which we are using for this dosa. One is going to be the onion chutney and the other is going to be gram flour chutney. So let's get started with preparation of onion chutney first. So for onion chutney, I have taken around 6 medium size of onions. I have chopped them into small pieces here. To this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. And then I am adding roasted jeera powder, 1 teaspoon. I am going to add red chili powder, approximately 3 to 4 teaspoons. Depends on if you want more spicy, you can add more of chili powder. Instead of chili powder, you can also use whole red chilies, cut them into pieces and you can add those also. But adding the chili powder gives nice color to this, so I prefer adding chili powder. You can adjust the chili powder as to how spicy you want. If you want more spicy, you can make it add more chili powder. If you want it less spicy, you can add less of it, because this is what is going to add spice to the dosa. So we are adding more of chili powder here. To this I am also adding 1 lemon juice. If not lemon, you can also add soaked tamarind. You can soak 2 inches of tamarind and you can add that also to this. So this is what is known as kharam. This onion chutney is known as kharam. So this is very much famous in Andhra, this dosa, this type of dosa that we are doing today. So this also comes in the name of a place from Andhra, that is Kadapa. So this is also known as Karam dosa or Kadapa dosa. Now this mixture I am going to put it in the mixer grinder and grind it to fine paste. So I'll get back to the paste of this. So I have grinded those all the ingredients of kharam. So after grinding, this is how it looks. You can make it even more fine paste or you can have it little coarse also. That depends on you. You can do anyways here. Okay, so next we are going to do our gram flour chutney. Now let's make the gram flour chutney here. To make that I have taken half a cup of gram flour. To this I'll just add little water and make it a thick paste. I don't want any lumps in it, so I'll just give it a mix here first. Add water little by little so there are no lumps in it. If you just add water at once, it will form lumps in it and it will be really difficult to get rid of those lumps. So we'll just make it a thick paste first and then add water. So you can see I've just formed the paste here. Now I'll just switch on the gas. In a pan, I'll take 2 tablespoons or 1 ladle of oil. Once the oil is heated, we'll add mustard seeds to it. We'll just take half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now once the oil is heated, I am just adding mustard seeds to this and add water. I'll add 1.5 cup of water here, and I've already added half cup in this gram flour. Now I'm not adding whole of 2 cups of water in this gram flour. Okay, when you mix it with the gram flour and then there are chances of getting this chutney thick. So once you boil the water and then add this gram flour in this, the consistency will remain soft and it will not get very thick. We want it really soft consistency, so it's easy for us to spread on the dosa. Now to this I will add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. That's it, nothing else goes with this. Now once the water starts boiling, we will add the gram flour mixture to this. It's so simple. Yeah, once it comes to the rolling boil, we'll just add our sometimes, depending on the gram flour quality also, it may soak more water or less water. You can definitely adjust that accordingly. You can add little water in this if it is thick. If it is too liquidy, you can make again this gram flour mixture and add it to this. Give it a nice mix. Just cook it for a minute. Once the gram flour gets cooked, this is ready. You can see the consistency of it. This is how we want it. It is slurry, not thick, not very thin also. So this is easy for us to spread on a dosa. So our gram flour chutney is ready. Just shift it in this container. You can see, right, the consistency of it. Yeah, done. So we'll start with preparation of our dosa. Now let's start making our kharam dosa. So we have the batter ready. We have this kharam chutney ready, and we have this gram flour chutney ready. Okay, so let's get started. So once our tawa gets heated, we are going to spread the dosa on it. You can add ghee or oil on your dosa here. Okay, till this gets heated, I'll just give you one more tip. If at all, if your dosa does not come out well, it sticks to the tawa, then you can do one thing. You can just use a onion piece, put it on this and clean once it is hot. Your dosa will come out really well. It will not stick to your tawa. It will be very easy to peel the dosa out of your tawa here. So this is a really very important tip. So once our tawa gets heated, we are going to make a dosa on this. So now that the tawa is heated, You can add either oil or ghee. Anything can be added here. It will taste more nice when you add ghee on this. Once it starts getting little red, we will add our gram flour chutney, and then we will add this kharam along with this. Give it a mix, spread on this, and it will be ready. We'll just wait for this to get little red. You can serve these dosas with coconut chutney, and how to prepare coconut chutney, it's given in our description box. You can check that link. That's also available on our YouTube channel, so you can check how to make coconut chutney also on that. So now you can see it started getting red here, so we will add around 2 tablespoons of gram flour chutney. And then we will add, depends on how spicy you want, approximately 1.5 teaspoon of kharam here, or onion chutney you can call it. Just give a mix like this, spread it on the dosa. Just leave it for a minute, and then we will peel and take it out. So our super yummy dosa is ready. So after this is cooked, we will just fold our dosa. This way. I can add little ghee on this. It will taste more nice. You can just, after adding the ghee, spread it on it, flip it again. Add it on the other side also. With the taste of ghee, it will taste even more yummy. Yeah, and our kharam dosa is ready to serve. Yeah, so it looks nice and very tasty it is. You must give a try for this recipe. You can serve it with your coconut chutney, and the link for the coconut chutney is given in my description box. Thank you for watching my video. For more video recipes, you can check out my YouTube channel. To get updates on new videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Visit my website www.reemaswad.com for more details.